Hey everyone, Mrs. Norris here. So I just wanted to very quickly run you through the directions for American Expansion Cafe. And with this activity, you're going to be practicing some of the key concepts related to American expansion by challenging yourself in a Blooket task. So today is March 2021. So the due dates might be a little different depending on when you are watching it. But for this first time in 2021, this activity will open today at 3:40. It's due tomorrow at some point before midnight, and then it will close on March 20th. And normally we have a 2-week window for late work, but Blooket doesn't allow for more than 12 days for a homework assignment, so this one closes a little bit earlier. We haven't done cafe yet, but with cafe, your goal is to not only earn money and serve guests, but also to stay open for a set number of days. So, in order for me to consider this activity to be complete, you need to have your cafe stay open for at least 5 days. And if it's not, then it will not be considered complete. And I will ask you to complete the homework again. Your grade percentage is based on the percentage from the game. So if you look at the picture below, the person who completed it this time received an 87%. So their grade would be an 87 out of 100 on this assignment. And you are always welcome to try again for a better score and submit a new picture for that better grade. To submit, and there is a quick little tutorial related to the last time we did Blooket. So the activity is different, but the way to complete the task is the same. To submit, you're going to take a screenshot of the end page. So your end page, when you're done, your results will look like the picture you see down below. So you're going to take a screenshot of that. This is the information that it shows me. It shows me how many days you stayed open. It's going to give me your name, and it's going to give me that percentage that you received on this task. So you need to make sure that you take the picture. If you don't take the correct picture, then I will not be able to grade it, and I will ask you to do it again. So please make sure you take the correct picture. So take a screenshot of your end page and then rename your file with your first and last name, American Expansion Cafe. You can see that it's over here on the right-hand side, first and last name, American Expansion Cafe. So you're going to rename the file before you upload it and then upload it to Canvas. All right. So again, this is a sample image of what I need to see. If you don't take a screenshot of this, then I won't have the information that I need to give you a grade, and I will ask you to complete the assignment again. The direct link to the homework is right here. Please make sure that you sign in with your account that we've already created. I should see your first and last name or something close to it, your first initial and your last name, or your first name and your last initial. Where it says you here, that's what I should see for you. All right. So if you have any questions, please ask. Otherwise, have fun.